Hi guys! So I'm sure you've seen or heard of the contouring craze by now. It can be a bit intimidating, so today my friend Mona's coming over so we can show you the basics.
I'm Laura, and as a former makeup artist, I love sharing easy style and beauty tips that help moms feel their best.
So first things first, you will need some contouring supplies. I like using a contour palette. The light colors are for highlighting and the dark are for contouring. And then a contouring brush and some blending tools. I like to start with highlighting. Apply it over the high points of the face, like the middle of the forehead and along the bridge of your nose. All right, so you have done this before.
I have. I've watched many YouTube tutorials.
Really?
And hoped for the best. Some of it was tragic.
And now down to the cheek area. And I basically make a triangle all the way from the eye down to the corner of the nose and then angle it out. Okay, so anywhere where I'm painting highlight, it's gonna make it stand out more. So this area of your face is gonna look more accentuated.
I definitely need some cheekbones.
And I'm gonna do a little V on your chin and then a little bit above your upper lip. Now pick the places where you wanna add a little definition, like the cheeks, forehead, the nose, or chin. Personally, I don't think Mona needs any of this stuff, but she agreed to be our model, so we're gonna have fun with it. You're gonna wanna use a color 2 to 3 shades darker than your skin tone, and we're gonna start with the cheekbones. Start from the middle of the ear and lightly go back and forth toward the corner of the mouth, stopping about halfway down the cheek. Then, going a little lighter, I'm pulling the line down to the chin for an even more sculpted look. Now we're gonna go up to the forehead, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on each side, and that'll bring it a little bit in. Now, if your forehead is a little bigger, you can shade it a little bit more, and that's gonna make it look smaller. Now we're gonna go along the jawline. We're gonna carry that into the chin and go all the way up the other side. I'm gonna use a smaller brush for the nose and just make 2 even lines along the bridge, stopping about halfway down. And by this point, your face should be looking a little crazy, but I promise it's all part of the process. What do you think?
Mine looks like a tiger.
Really? Tiger? Not for long.
What are you doing to me, Laura? What do you think? Beautiful?
I mean, how could Mona not look beautiful? She always looks beautiful.
Just lie, Sydney. Just lie.
Okay, we're ready to blend. I'm using a damp sponge and starting with the highlighter, and remember just to press it into your skin. For the contour, I'm using a blending brush. You're gonna blend it out and up, and just keep blending until the lines appear more subtle. Okay, we're done. You ready to see?
Yes, I can't wait. I want to see.
All right, check it out.
Ooh, I have cheekbones now.
We've accentuated our features and it still looks natural. Contouring is super easy to do on yourself, so don't be intimidated. There's no one way of doing it. It really just depends on the shape of your face. So try out a few different ways and see what works best on you. All right, guys, thank you, Mona, for being our lovely contour model.
Anytime, Laura.
Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.